Hello. Welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. By the way, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for financially contributing. Makes a massive difference in this COVID era where, my workload has increased about fourfold and my student body has decreased, I don't know, 70% or something. I don't know. So thank you very much. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider receptivity before creativity, to consider where you breathe to before where you breathe from. So, for example, if you're breathing into the lower lobes of the lungs, start there and then exhale from the lower lobes of the lungs. If you're breathing into the dantian, or I should say, if you're practicing to express from the lower dantian, breathe into the lower dantian. If you're practicing shifting, turning, if you're practicing expressing from the lower dantian, as an example, maybe the pelvic floor, maybe the huyin, whatever it might be, practice breathing to that place first. A lot of times I find people just try and do a deep breath and maybe slow breath, maybe quiet breath, and then they fix their mind on, okay, I'm supposed to move from here or shift from here or turn from here and or express from here. But the in-breath can help us locate that place in terms of a sensory idea, in terms of giving value to it and familiarity gains develop from that. So practice receptivity before creativity. Practice locating through the in-breath the place from which the exhalation will occur, the place from which the step, the shift, the turn, the strike will occur, if you like. And wherever that place may be, that's between you and your teacher. How would I know? Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.